Stay off this property. You're not coming on this property.
I'm going to get my van. Excuse me.
No, your van's going to be towed. You can go around. This is private property.
You're going to get out of my goddamn way.
This is private property.
You're not gonna lock
This
me
is
in
private property.
The cops were here last night. They know we're here.
This is private property.
Get him out of my fucking base. I'm going to get my van. You're not going to sit
You
here.
can go around.
Record this.
You can go around. You're not. You broke this fence. Did you cut this fence?
No, it's already broken. We got
No, it wasn't.
It already was,
Call the
dude.
cops. Call the cops. You're not going to sit here and lock me from getting my van.
I'm not blocking you.
There's something wrong.
I'm stopping you from trespassing on this property.
My fucking van.
Yeah, you trespass. Your van's going to be towed.
No, it's not going to be towed. Better get out of the way. Jake, record this now.
I am recording it.
You better let me through or I'm going to hit you. You're not going to block my thing. You're not going to lock me in here.
You cut a hole in this fence.
I didn't cut
You're not
that.
cutting.
Move. Get out of my goddamn way.
Dumbass, get out of here.
Go get my husband. Go get my husband and my son right now. Give me a
He's got a gun. Watch out.
Get out of my goddamn way. You ain't gonna
Stay the f back. Stay the f back.
Get out
Get the
of
f back. Get the f back.
Get out of here. He won't let me through, Will. He said he won't let me through. Let me through.
You can go around. Stay back. This is private property.
You ain't allowed to do
Stay back. Do not come through here.
What are you doing?
This is private property. Did you cut this hole in this fence? No, we didn't. Who did it then?
We don't know.
I don't know. What? This is private property. You stay over there. Do not come.
Private property.
This is private property. That's not.
What is private property?
What is that?
Why don't you wait for the police and they'll tell you? Why don't you wait for the police and they'll explain it to you very clearly?
The police have already been over here and they said there's no.
Why don't you just sit tight, okay?
You're threatening us with
Just sit tight. Just sit tight.
Go to jail, buddy.
You want to see that? Is that your wife?
You're gonna go to
She
jail.
just threatened me. I have her on video
You're
coming
gonna
at.
go to jail.
Okay, buddy. Wait for the
You're
police.
standing here with the
Wait
stun
for the
gun in
police.
your hand.
Wait for the police.
You're standing here with the
Wait
stun
for the
gun.
police.
I want through.
Wait for the
I
police.
want
No,
through.
you're not.
I need to use the
You're
bathroom.
This is private property. If you're going to assault me,
No, I need to go to the
no,
bathroom.
you can go to the bathroom over there.
I'm not going to the bathroom out here. Excuse me. Excuse me. I need to use the
Get out of
bathroom.
his damn face.
You're
Wipe
gonna-
the canal. Get out of his damn face. Wipe the canal. Get out of here.
What are you
Get away
doing?
from my son.
You
Get
say
away from
my
my
mom?
son, motherfucker.
Hey, my mom, I swear to God, that's it, nigga.
Get away from my
Hey,
son.
my mom. She got high blood
out, man.
pressure. You gonna kill her
out,
and
man.
I'll kill you, nigga.
Watch out, man.
So don't you
got a
tase.
problem.
You guys just wait there.
You got a problem. Don't you?
Nobody's got to wait anywhere.
Don't you dare taser, I swear to God. The police will lock your ass up. Get the fuck out of my face, ain't no scared.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, so please tell me what this family should do at this moment and what do you think they should do at this moment. Just leave it in the comment section.